How to share Amazon Prime account membership with friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Amazon Prime membership with your friends or family. With Amazon Household, you can easily share your Prime benefits, including Prime Video, free shipping, and more. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to your website and search for www.amazon.com, or you can simply open the Amazon app as well. Now make sure you're logged in with the Amazon Prime account you want to share. Now hover over and tap on your account and list, as you can see here. Now from the drop down menu, select your account. Also, you can also find Amazon Household. As you can see here, manage your household, tap on that. Now you can either add another adult or a teen to your household. If you're sharing with a friend, select add an adult like this, and you'll need to enter the person's name and email address to send an invitation. Now let's set one country. Now, as you can see here, you'll need to enter the person's name and email address to send an invitation. For teens, they'll have limited access to Prime benefits but can still enjoy Prime Video and other services like free shipping. Just add the details and choose the permissions you'd like to grant. After the necessary details, click on Send Invitation, and your friend or family member will receive an email with the invitation to join your Amazon household. Once your friend or family member accepts the invitation, they will be able to log into their Amazon account and start using your Prime benefits right away. And that's it. That's how you can easily share your Amazon Prime membership with friends or family.